All right, let's check out this ad from Next Health. Here's what it currently says. Unlock $100 off your first NAD plus therapy at Next Health. Discover the future of cellular rejuvenation and experience enhanced vitality and peak performance. Experience the transformative benefits of NAD plus, sharpen mental clarity and focus, accelerate recovery and cellular repair, support health, aging, and longevity. Tap book now to schedule your complimentary consultation and claim your first NAD therapy session. All right. Now, NAD Plus is a high performance therapy, but this ad, it's giving us brochure energy. Here's what's not working. The first line is a great offer, but it's written like a white paper. Cellular rejuvenation and peak performance are great in medical deck, but on social, they don't hit. The bullet points are clean but clinical, with no sensory language or emotional payoff. There's no urgency, no story, no transformation, just facts. The call to action to tap book now, not bad, but it's passive. We can do better. You got a future-facing therapy, but the copy sounds stuck in 2015. So we're using our $97 ad rewrite playbook. This one needs energy, edge, and clear emotional hook. So I'm gonna take a screenshot of this ad here, and we're gonna walk through this rewrite line by line. So let me add that here. And we're only focusing in on the ad copy and headline, okay? So let's start with the copy. So I know this is a brand that has many locations, so we're not gonna have a location call out, but we're gonna talk about, we're gonna open with the a relatable problem to the user. So feeling foggy, drained, or just off your game, say less. It's time to fuel your body with NAD plus therapy at Next Health. So we got a quick pattern interrupt with a power statement that anchors the solution. It's like charging your cells with rocket fuel for your brain, body, and bounce back speed. So we're adding a strong metaphor plus benefit stack, makes science visual and emotional. Then we're gonna add a rhythmic, punchy benefit string that feels modern and relevant. So sharper focus, better sleep, faster recovery, more you. We're gonna offer, so we'll say first time, we're giving you, and I'm adding this, yep, first time, we're giving you $100 off to feel the difference, for yourself. So we're adding this offer with a low friction trial luggage, right? Feel the difference, equal confidence. Thousands are already using NAD plus to age stronger, not just slower. So we're adding social proof plus reframe of aging in a positive light. This is biohacking for people who want to live louder, not just longer. So this is an identity-driven positioning, not just for athletes or tech bros. Spots fill up fast, especially with this offer live. So we're adding urgency and scarcity to push action now. You're one session away from feeling lit up again. Comment boost and we'll DM you the link to book. Let's add in our headlines now. So headline 1 is going to be $100 off NAD plus therapy. Energy, All right, so let's review this. Feeling foggy, drained, or just off your game? Say less. It's time to fuel your body with NAD plus therapy at Next Health. It's like charging your cells with rocket fuel for your brain, body, and bounce back speed. It's like training your body. It's like charging your cells with rocket fuel for your brain, body, and bounce back speed. Sharper focus, better sleep, faster recovery, more you. First time, we're giving you $100 off to feel the difference for yourself. Thousands are already using NAD plus to age stronger, not slower. This is biohacking for people who want to live louder, not just longer. Spots fill it fast, especially with this offer live. You're one session away from feeling lit up again. Comment NAD boost and we'll DM you the link to book. That's the headlines there. All right. So we made this ad emotional, modern, and high energy, just like the people it's targeting. Started with a real world pain point instead of clinical jargon. Brought NAD Plus to life using metaphor, rhythm, and transformation. We made the $100 off feel like an experience, not a coupon. And we shifted the tone from educational to empowering and aspirational. We also added in made the call to action native and easy, and it's built for social engagement. This rewrite doesn't just talk about NAD Plus, it sells the upgrade you. This is exactly what we do in our $97 ad rewrite. We take what you're already running and make it actually book clients. Want your ad rewritten like this one? Grab the $97 ad rewrite. The link is in the bio above or in the description below.